guys, it's autumn and today I'm back with another video. But first things first, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that button down below. That way you don't miss out on my next upload. I'm super excited about today's video because it is a collaboration with LUVME Hair. So thank you so much to LUVME Hair for sending over this wig for me to review. But as always, we're going to keep it 100 on this channel. There will be no lies told in this review. So if you want to hear more, just stick around. My package came in a box like this, the LUVME Hair box. It came with an elastic band, a comb, some bobby pins, a clip that said LUVME Hair, 2 headbands, and 2 wig caps. So you get a lot of accessories in this box, definitely worth your money. For the specs on this wig, this is a 16-inch kinky curly headband wig. It is 180% density and super full. It has a natural luster and it has some beautiful textures going on in here. However, the wig did not come like this. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips up there, that way you can see how the wig looked fresh out of the box, as well as right after I sprayed it down with some water and combed it out. That way I could get the best definition as possible. I'm also gonna let you guys know what products I used on this wig. The Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Moisturizer, which is like a spray. It leaves your hair and your curls super juicy. You can definitely use that on your natural hair as well. I love the Curl Moisturizer, which is why I knew it would work well on this hair. I also ended up using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Gel, which is one of my all-time favorite gels to define your curls. So like I said, if you haven't used that on your natural hair, you are missing out, okay? And I was surprised because it worked super well on this unit. As you can see, the curls are super defined, but it's not like a hard hold. It still looks really soft and bouncy. You're not gonna be walking around like Crunch Town, okay? Before I forget, because I always do, let's talk about the cap construction on this unit. So these headband wigs come with 4 combs and an adjustable strap with the elastic that snaps in the back. That way you can make sure that you have a really secure hold. Also, first things first, because it's a headband wig, you don't have to braid your hair down super flat because you're not trying to make sure that the lace hits at a certain point, and you can leave as much hair out as you want with these wigs. So it's very versatile because of the cap construction. Let's go ahead and get into the pros. Some of the pros for this wig is that it is super comfortable, and that's partly because of the cap construction. It's not very tight, and you can make this as tight or as loose as you want it to be because of the elastic band. I also love how secure it is due to the combs. You don't have to really add any extra bobby pins or worry about it sliding off or anything like that. And I love that it has the black band at the top. You could wear it just like that, or you could add a headband like I have here. However you want to wear it, girl, it's very versatile. So I also love how they were able to get this curl pattern to mimic real natural hair. Recently had to cut my hair, so I will definitely be reaching for this unit when I want, you know, my fro look until my hair grows back. You know what I'm saying? This is real life 4C kinky curly like tease. And if you want this to be even bigger, like I put gel in it so it's a little bit more tame, but if you want it to be bigger, you could definitely go ahead and pick it out, and it's going to give you that big beautiful hair look. I also loved that this hair barely shed. Now, like I said, I did comb it out and I got literally the smallest ball of hair out. I was super shocked because when I comb my own hair out, you know, we all get shed hair, but this was like very minimal. So I was super excited about that. You know how sometimes you run into those units that have a whole bunch of shedding, especially curly units? This was nothing like that. So definitely 10 out of 10 for me on the shedding. I love the length of this unit. It's very natural looking. Again, this is 16 inches. I kind of wish I would have got a longer one, to be honest, but this is very natural looking, like everyday throw on and go. You know what I'm saying? Like so overwhelming where you're like, oh, this doesn't even look like my real hair. You know what I'm saying? This is your everyday type of wig. Now, my only con for this wig is going to be this fresh out the box smell. It's just your basic like factory smell, but it's annoying, and I definitely had to go ahead and wet this down. So I went ahead and did that. I just sprayed it with some water, put the products on it, and the smell went right away. So that's not even really a con. It's just something to be aware of when you purchase this wig. All in all, I'm definitely loving this unit, and I will be reaching for this in my collection. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the links down below in the description bar. Thank you again to LUVMEhair for this unit, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.